Hey guys, Mr. Gillard here from the counseling office. Just a real quick reminder about upcoming college visits at CBC. These are virtual visits and they're happening in room 123 during activity period. You have to sign up through Naviance. If you're learning from home, no problem. Sign up the exact same way. Everything I show you here is still relevant, and then just sign up from home and you do the virtual visit from home, but you have to sign up through Naviance. How do you sign up? You go to your Naviance homepage and you can find it right down here. You can go up and click on colleges, but you can just stay right on your homepage under what's new and hit show more. And then you see a long list of schools that are going to be virtually visiting. You click on any one you want. Here's University of Central Missouri coming on the 27th, and you learn more about the sign up. If you were a real student, the system kind of knows I'm not a real student right now, so the button's not visible. But there's a button right here that says sign up, and you sign up for the visit, and then you have everything you need to get going for that visit, okay? You can also click on the name of the school anytime you're in Naviance on any page. If you see a college and it's underlined, you click on it, you get all kinds of information about the school. And then you can also look for counselor comments. These are always for many, many, many schools. We have CBC counselor comments about this university. Thank you very much, guys. Every week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, check those visits over the weekend. Check them for the upcoming week and sign up. It's a great opportunity for you, and we really want to see you there for the college visits. Thank you very much.